Good morning, children. Yesterday we have seen the subtraction from exercise 13.1. Today also we are going to see the same exercise. Next Roman number is multiply the following. This is your third Roman number. Multiply the following from the same exercise. Okay, rupees 26.78. That is 26 rupee 78 paise into 17. Okay, see, this is ordinary multiplication, children. How you used to multiply ordinarily, like that the same multiplication it is. Okay, while multiplying you don't consider the point. See, solution given 26.78 into 17. Multiply the number. Okay, ignore the point. Don't consider the point. Okay, ignore the point while multiplying. Just same ordinary multiplication. How you will multiply? First number with first number with second, first number with third, first number with fourth. Okay, multiply like that. 7 8s are 56, 5 remainder, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 5, 54, 4, again 5 remainder. Don't consider the point. Multiply the next digit. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 5, 47. So 4 is the remainder. 47, 7 you write, 4 is the remainder. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So first digit we multiplied with these 4 numbers. Okay. Next second digit we need to multiply. For that second digit means what? This is ones place, this is tens place. So ones place, tens place, tens place, tenth place only you should write. So second digit, second place only you should write. So first place down you can put star, either 0, anything you can mention. Okay, now you multiply the second digit. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 2, 2. We multiplied. Now this is normal addition. Add the numbers. 6. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carry over. 14, 15. Again 1 is carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Again 1 is carry over. 2, 3, 4. 4. At last, finally you need to check the point. See here, 2 digit before. 2 digit 1, 2. 2 digit before. Right to left you should check, children. Don't check like this. Check right to left. 1, 2. 2 digit before the point it is there. So finally answer place also you should see from the right side. 1, 2. 2 digit before you should keep the point. So answer is rupees 455.26 paise. This is your final answer for you. Okay. So for answer, put a box. Okay. Next, second question. Second question, solution given. Write the given value. 45 rupee 50 paise into 4. Okay, if you want you can mention the rupee symbol, or finally answer place also I will mention the rupee symbol, ma'am. Both also is correct. Okay, in question itself also you can mention, finally also you can mention. So you need to multiply this. It is a single digit, so easily you can multiply. Don't consider the point while multiplying. 4 into 0, 0. 4 5s are 20, 2 remainder. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Again 2 remainder. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So now check the point where it is there. See, 2 digit before. 1, 2. 2 digit before the point is there. So from the right side you check 1, 2 digit before the point. Okay, you keep it the point there, then you write the answer. Answer rupees 182.00. So if you completed your answer means using a scale pencil, using a ruler and pencil, you need to draw a line. Next, third question. 36 rupee 30 paise into 23. Solution given. Write the question as it is. Rupees 36.30 into 23. So multiply these. 3 into 0, first digit 3. With 3 all the 4 number also you multiply. 3 into 0 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. 1 remainder. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So first digit 4 numbers will multiply. Don't consider the point while multiplying. Again second digit. Second digit if you want to multiply means first digit you should put star or 0, whatever you can mention. Next 2 into 0 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 1 remainder. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 7. So now same. Add the number 0, 9, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So now where you need to keep the point? See, check 2 digit before. See, 2 digit before from the right side. 1, 2. 2 digit before you check. So the answer is rupees 834.90. This is your answer for this question. Okay, 834 rupees 90 paise. Final answer, you draw a box using a scale pencil. Okay, now from your mathematics book, page number 195, you need to complete the question numbers from 3 to 8. From 3 to 8. You need to complete in your class of note, children. Okay, do it one by one. Write neatly. Draw the answers for the box. Put a box for the answers. And each sum completed means you must draw a line. Write your questions in black pen. And answers do it in blue pen. Okay, do it neatly, children. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.